Great. Eyes?
Eyebrow.
Oh, that was the eyebrow. That's the eyebrow. And that's the eye.
Look.
You want to do a new one? Do a circle. Okay, just stop. Now do eyes. 1, 2, and then a face. The nose. Do a nose. Yeah. And a mouth. Good job. And legs. And arms. Wow. Is that a picture of Grandma? That's so cool.
We did it!
You did it!
By yourself.
By yourself.